Dr. Cruz has made significant contributions to the biochemistry of toxic peptides from the venom of fish-hunting conus marine snails. Her studies led in part to the biochemical characterization of over 50 biologically active peptides from conus venom, and the development of conotoxins as biochemical probes for examining the activities of the brain. W-conotoxin is one of the most widely used tools for studying neuronal. W-conotoxin is one of the most widely used tools for studying neuronal calcium channels. And euconotoxin is the reagent of choice in neuroscience when muscular activity must be controlled to examine events at the synapse.
For her achievement in science, Dr. Cruz is the recipient of the NAST Outstanding Young Scientist Award in 1981, the NRCP Achievement Award in Chemistry in 1982, and the Outstanding Woman in the Nation Service Award Biochemistry in 1986.
Educational background of Dr. Cruz: B.S. Chemistry, University of the Philippines, Diliman, 1962. M.S. Biochemistry, University of Iowa City, USA, 1966. And Ph.D. Biochemistry, University of Iowa City, USA, 1968.
Lourdes J. Cruz, a distinguished scientist and advocate for sustainable development, earned her Bachelor of Science in Chemistry from the University of the Philippines in Diliman in 1962, before completing a Doctor of Philosophy in Biochemistry at the University of Iowa in 1968. After working at the International Rice Research Institute, she joined the University of the Philippines in 1970, where she would make significant contributions to science and research. Cruz has received numerous accolades for her groundbreaking work, including the prestigious Van Brohult Award in 1993, the ASEAN Outstanding Scientist and Technologist Award in 2001, and the L'Oreal UNESCO for Women in Science Award in 2010. A founding member and the second president of the Philippine Society of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, Cruz has also served on the ICSU Regional Committee for Asia and the Pacific from 2012 to 2018, where she chaired the committee. In 2001, she launched a pioneering program aimed at leveraging science and technology to alleviate poverty in rural and indigenous communities in Bataan through conservation, reforestation, and bioresource management. Her most recent initiative focuses on establishing the Future Earth Philippines program, a project dedicated to promoting sustainability in the country.
Today we recognize Lourdes J. Cruz, an outstanding scientist whose contributions have earned her numerous prestigious awards. Let's take a look at her remarkable achievements. In 1981, Lourdes was honored with the Outstanding Young Scientist Award by the National Academy of Science and Technology. The following year, she received the Achievement Award in Chemistry from the National Research Council of the Philippines. Her excellence continues to be recognized with the Outstanding Women in Nation Service Award in 1986 and her appointment as an academician by the National Academy of Science and Technology in 1987. In 1991, she received the Professional Achievement Award in Biochemistry and the Achievement Award for Research and Research Management. 2 years later, she was honored internationally with the Seven Brohult Award. Her dedication to research have earned her the Medal in Distinction Research in 1994 and the Outstanding Alumnus Award in 1996 and the Gregorio E. Zara Award in Basic Science in 2000s. In early 2000s, Lourdes received the Service Award, the Outstanding Asian Scientist and Technology Award, and the Gawad Award Councilor Award for the research. Finally, in 2006, she was proclaimed as a national scientist, the highest honors for the research in the Philippines. Lourdes J. Cruz's achievement inspire future scientists and researchers.
Lourdes J. Cruz is a distinguished Filipino scientist known for her pioneering research on the biochemistry of toxic peptides from cone snails or conus species. So her significant contribution include: first is the discovery of conotoxins. So J. Cruz played a key role in the identification and characterization of conotins, small peptides found in the cone snail venom. These peptides have highly specific interaction with an ion channels and receptor in the nervous system, so making them valuable tools for neuroscience research and drug development. And number two is the medical application. So her work on conotoxins has contributed to the development of novel painkillers, particularly for the chronic pain that are more potent and selective than morphine but without its addictive properties. So number three is the neuroscience and pharmacology. So by studying the effects of conotoxins on ion channels and neurotransmitter receptors, Lourdes J. Cruz research has advanced our understanding of nervous system function, particularly in relation into pain transmission and neurodegenerative disease. So number four is the environmental scientific advocacy. So beyond her laboratory research, Cruz has also worked to promote sustainable science and particularly in marine biodiversity and conservation effort in the Philippines. So lastly, Lourdes J. Cruz awards and recognition. So she has received multiple awards for her scientific contribution, including being named a L'Oreal UNESCO Women in Science Laureate and receiving the National Scientist of the Philippines title.